Our project name is Soldier Position Tracking and Health Monitoring System. The LCD display shows the various parameters regarding the health condition of a soldier body through a various sensor. This is the LCD display which shows the health related parameters regarding the soldier's body. During wars and military scare operation, soldiers get injured and sometimes become losses. To find the soldier and provide health monitoring, army base station and need a global positioning system device for locating soldiers. Army base station and need global positioning system device for locating soldiers. Wireless base station to sense the health related parameters of a soldiers and a wireless transceiver to transmit the data wirelessly. Upon losing in a battlefield, it is necessary for the base station to guide the soldiers. The base station can access the current status of the soldier which is displayed on the personal computer. The purpose system can be mounted on the soldier's body to track their health status and current location using GPS, that is Global Positioning System. This information will be transmitted to control room through Internet of Things, that is IoT. This system comprises of tiny wearable psychological device, sensors, transmission module. Hence, with the use of purpose system, it is possible to implement a low-cost mechanism to protect the valuable human life of a battlefield. In today's world, the science and technology is growing rapidly with new invention and innovation and advanced level of implementation. These emerging advanced technology are firmly adopted to defense service to provide some safety systems to our soldier. There are many parameters by which defense service can provide some safety to the soldiers. The nation's security is monitored and kept by Army, Navy and Air Force. The important and role is of the soldier who sacrifice their life for the country. There are many concerns regarding the safety of the soldiers. Soldiers entering the enemy lines often lose their lives due to lack of connectivity. It is very vital for the army base station to know the location as well as health status of the soldiers. So many soldiers lost in the war field as there is no proper health backup and connectivity between the soldiers and war fields and the officials at the army base stations. We concern about the safety of the soldiers, so we decided to build a project which efficiently keep a check on the health status of the soldier and its precise location to equip in necessary medical treatment. As soon as possible, soldier tracking is done by GPS, that is Global Positioning System, and Wi-Fi module, which is used to provide wireless communication system. For monitoring the health parameters of the soldiers, we are using biomedical sensor such as temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, oxygen level sensor is used to monitor the atmospheric oxygen. So if any climatic changes, the soldier will equip accordingly. We focus on the tracking the location of soldiers from the GPS, which is useful for the control room station to know exact location of the soldier. And accordingly they will guide them. Also high speed, short range, soldier to soldier, wireless communication using IoT and Wi-Fi module. Sensing, GPS navigation, biomedical sensor, wireless communication. This system is based on IoT concept, that is Internet of Things concept. This system will helpful in the real-time continuous monitoring of the soldiers' health parameters and location. Tracking of the soldier using GPS, that is Global Positioning System, can be monitored using purpose system. The transmission of these parameters to the control room receives the position and orientation of a soldier from the GPS. Further, the soldier can be guided for the correct direction during the operation of GPS. In our project, there are two units. This is a soldier unit. This is a control room unit. In this, we use phone as a control room unit. This is a temperature and humidity sensor, THT11. It senses the temperature of the body and the pressure of the body. This is a gas analyzer sensor. An oxygen sensor is an electronic device that measures the proportion of oxygen, that is O2, in the gas or liquid being measured. This is an oxygen level sensor. Biomedical sensor. The biomedical sensors are also often used to monitor the safety of the medicine, food, environmental condition, and these substances we manage, we may comment to and pressure of the body and measure the pressure of the body. LCD display. It is the display which measures the measured value of the sensor by the soldier's body. This is an Arduino UNO R3 board. The Arduino UNO R3 board is a microcontroller based on the ATmega 328. It has a 14 input and output pins. Arduino board consisting of both psychological and physiological programmable circuit board and accept the software that runs and compute used to write and upload the computer code onto the physical board. This is an Arduino UNO R3 board. This is an GPS which require a network, so we used an antenna here. GPS is a global positioning system, a satellite navigation system used to determine the ground position of the soldier. Wi-Fi module. In Wi-Fi module, soldier tracking is done by GPS. Here we are providing a GPS according to network. According to network, soldier tracking is done by using GPS and Wi-Fi module. Here it is a GPS and a Wi-Fi module. This is a panic button. It is used to push the button to send a message or call to a base station. This is a panic button. Control room personal computer system. Here we use mobile phone as a control room personal computer system. The health condition and the position of the soldier is controlled and gives a command. When the soldier in panic situation, they press the panic button, then the message is sent to the control room, that is mobile phone. This is a vibrator which vibrates when the panic button is pressed by the soldier. The system consisting of a block diagram. Here we show the block diagram: temperature and humidity sensor, pulse rate measurement sensor, gas analyzer sensor, LCD display, GPS receiver, panic button, and the vibrator is connected to or mounted to Arduino UNO R3 board. Here Arduino UNO R3 board is connected to Wi-Fi module to track the soldiers and the command is sent to the control room personal computer, which are interconnected. Here this is an Arduino UNO R3 board. It is a software board which has 14 input and output pins, which is connected to GSM modem. GSM modem is a tracking modem which we insert a SIM here. Here it is an antenna to provide a network. GPS is provided, and for requiring network, antenna is provided which is interconnected to Arduino UNO R3 board. Panic button is also connected to Arduino UNO R3 board. Heartbeat sensor, it is also connected to Arduino UNO R3 board. Temperature and humidity sensor, which is also connected to Arduino board. The Arduino board is a software board which has a 5 volt. So we use extension power here, extension system for the future extension. From Arduino UNO R3 board, the connector is connected to power bank, that is standby power is taken as a power bank. An LCD display is 16x2 LCD display which is connected to Arduino UNO R3 board, which display all the related parameters regarding soldier health body. The working principle of this system is the control room can acquire the details about the position and orientation of soldier from the GPS. Even in the case of losing their direction, it is the responsibility of the GPS to guide the soldier in the correct direction. The base station can access the current status of the soldier using IoT, as different tracking parameters of the soldier get transmitted via Wi-Fi module. This information will be stored on the cloud and can be extracted on the PC of the control room. As and when needed, based on the information, the authority can initiate the immediate action by deploying a medical rescue team or any backup force for their help. Using various biomedical sensor, health-related parameter sensor of a soldier is observed along with the surrounding environment condition observed. The purpose system is divided into soldier unit. This is a soldier unit, and the control room unit we taken as a mobile. LM35 temperature sensor, pulse rate sensor, oxygen level detector sensor are continuously monitor the health status of the soldier. GPS is used to determine the real-time position and orientation. Data originating from the sensor and GPS receiver is proceeded and collected using Arduino board, that is 80 mega 328p processor. The specific choice of the processor is due to the fact that as compared to other data processor used in the existing system, Arduino board is a low cost and easily available with flexible interfacing capability. So 80 mega 328 better than other processor. The advantages of this system is soldier position can easily located by using GPS. GPS is used to locate the soldier when there is a panic situation or an emergency condition. Loss of soldier in the battlefield can be avoided. During warfare condition, during battlefield, there will be loss of soldiers. So, if by using this system, the loss of soldier can be avoided. Continuous health can be monitored. Soldiers are able to communicate with the control room directly. By pressing the panic button, the soldiers are able to directly connect it to the control room in panic situation. This system is also helpful to provide the accurate location of the missing soldier in critical condition. Soldier missing can be avoided by using this system. This system is also helpful to improve the communication between the soldier to soldier in emergency condition. The application which will be used in the fields such as in battlefield, in severe condition of soldiers, in Navy, in Air Force, flood operated areas. In flood operated areas, the people in the flood operated areas are in emergency condition. So providing this system, we save the life of the people. When we give the supply to GSM module and the supply is given to Arduino board through a connecting cable. This is a connecting cable which we connect to the power supply, that is standby power source. LCD display shows the measuring value, that is temperature, humidity, gas, oxygen level, pulse rate. Here, this is a GPS module. This is the GPS module. Here the blue light shows that the network is accessing. Where the network is obtaining properly, the blue light blink every 3 seconds or 4 seconds once. If the blue light blinks very fastly, then the network is not proper. When panic button is pressed, the vibrator will vibrate. Here it is the vibrate, and the module will sending the SMS to the control room. That control room is taken as a mobile phone here. Then the message will send to the mobile phone. This message will be transmitted from soldier's body to phone. Soldier tracking system. Temperature will be displayed. Pulse will be displayed. Oxygen level is displayed. When the panic button is pressed, the emergency of the soldier will be displayed. The number is soldier's code and the location will be provided. When the temperature is exceed or below the prescribed value, when the temperature exceed above or below the prescribed value, the control room can access the message. When temperature exceed, the vibrator will vibrate. Then the message is transferred to control room, that is mobile phone. This is the message that transferred by the soldier's body. Here the temperature exceeds, that is 45 degree. This is the demonstration of our project. Thanking you.